So the car is officially tuned by 04sleeper. The car, let me tell you guys, it feels great. It's been so long since I've driven this car, especially at a wide open throttle. Just because I've been trying to be safe with the car, but now that it's tuned, I get to pretty much just, you know, get on it, enjoy the car for what it is. So, man, I was giggling like a little girl earlier. But we'll do some pulls here in a little bit. But overall, I mean, the tuner himself said it, the car runs really great. All the numbers look great. I think it maxed out like at 17 for timing. That's where he said it. A nice safe number for the car. But overall, everything looked really healthy in the car, so I'm excited about that. Now about to head back home. I have about an hour drive back home, but it's totally worth it. Special thanks to 04sleeper for hooking me up with the tune. Back to the seat. Woo! My oh my, this thing is an absolute animal. To be completely honest, coming from a full bolt-on 5.0 to this 2.3 liter Cobra, man, what a difference, what a difference. I'm completely satisfied, completely happy the way how it runs right now. I mean, it's gonna take me a while to get used to this power. It just like throws me back to the seat. I'm like freaking ecstatic right now, just so happy. Oh my gosh, I feel like a little kid, you know? But that's the whole point, right guys? That's the whole point. But man, the car feels great. Again, it's another special thanks to 04sleeper. Man, he really tuned this thing perfectly. And not only on the high performance side, but also drivability. The car feels really, really smooth. It's just, the car feels so much better versus how it was. And I must dare say that this car feels much more powerful with just the 93 octane than when it had the methanol injection kit. It feels a whole lot stronger, and I'm driving it right now towards the end of May, almost June, so it's pretty hot outside here in Texas, and this car freaking pulls. And the best part of it all is, look, I'm cruising, enjoying the ride, have my AC on, upgraded my stereo to a little Android Autos touchscreen system. Man, I'm just enjoying the ride, you know. So, man, I'm so happy. This is freaking crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back home, enjoy my ride home, take it easy, take it safe. It's supposed to rain later on, and I just want to make it home before it rains. But definitely well worth the trip, and it was, what an experience tuning these cars. What an experience. You know, whenever I had my Mustang, my Coyote 2015 Mustang GT, basically I didn't have to do anything. I just plugged in the N-Gauge. I got my tune sent to me by an email through a file, uploaded it to my tuner, uploaded it onto the car, boom, ready, you know. This car, it takes a little bit more work. You know, you have to install your wideband, you have to install a firewire. It's a little bit of work, but if you're a car guy, you know, gearhead, I mean, it's, at the end of the day, it's pretty fun doing this kind of stuff. And yeah, so I got the experience of data logging, and then now finishing up the tune with 04sleeper. What an experience, you know. It's really cool, like what you can do with these cars. Like, it's an 18-year-old vehicle, but you can still plug in a laptop and tune it. You know, tune in all the parameters as possible, just like you could with a 2020 GT 500, you know, or similar at least. But to me, it's amazing. It's just amazing what you can do with these cars. But overall, the whole experience was amazing. We'll see if somebody tries to kind of sneak up on me. You know, we'll see. We'll give them that sauce. We'll give them that Cobra 04 sleeper tune sauce. So I guess that's all for this video. Just really short, just kind of going over the tuning, my tune day, I guess if you want to call it. I will put this car on a dyno later on this year, so I'm really curious to see what numbers it's pushing to the wheel. I was told it might be anywhere from like 575 to like low 600s. Of course, I want to see that 600 number, but I don't care at the end of the day because this car feels amazing. But it would be neat to see what this car puts down on the dyno. So that'll come soon, later on this year. Alright guys, y'all take care. See y'all for the next one.